Welcome, everyone. Today, let's make various shapes of pastries using a fluffy dough made from milk, eggs, and flour. First, let's prepare the ingredients. 1 cup of warm milk, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, a quarter cup of oil, 3 cups of flour, and a pinch of salt. To prepare the dough, start by mixing warm milk with sugar and yeast in a large bowl. Let it rest for 5 minutes to activate the yeast. Then, add the egg and oil, mixing well. Gradually add the flour and salt, kneading until you get a smooth and elastic dough. Allow the dough to rest and rise in a warm place for about an hour until it doubles in size. Once the dough has risen, shape it into your desired pastries. You can make croissants, buns, or stuffed pies. For croissants, roll out the dough into rectangles and cut them into triangles. Roll each triangle from the base to the tip and place them on a baking sheet. For buns, divide the dough into small balls and shape them into small loaves. For pies, roll out the dough and cut it into circles. Then fill them with your favorite fillings such as cheese, meat, or herbs. After shaping the pastries, let them rest again for 10 minutes. Then, brush them with egg wash and sprinkle sesame seeds or nigella seeds as desired. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake the pastries for 15 to 20 minutes until they turn golden brown. For an extra touch, you can try filling the dough with cream cheese or chocolate. Fill the dough and roll it up into rolls, then cut it into small pieces and bake them. They will turn out delicious and unique among other pastries. To keep the pastries fresh after baking, allow them to cool completely before storing them in an airtight container. This way, the pastries will stay soft and fresh for a longer period. You can also place a piece of apple in the container with the pastries to maintain their softness. Remember, experimenting in the kitchen is a joy in itself. Don't hesitate to try new shapes and fillings. Fluffy pastries suit all tastes and occasions, whether for breakfast, dinner, or even as a light snack. In conclusion, thank you to everyone who joined us today. I hope you found this recipe enjoyable and helpful. Give it a try and share your experience with us. Don't forget to add your personal touch and get creative with shaping the pastries. See you in the next recipe with more delicious ideas.